showed up. My hood. Just say, my wife said, I'm gonna start taking this thing apart. Ep-08 is an L88. Perfect. It even has the provisions for the hood latch. Sorry, the hood hinge. And the latches. The last hood I got for the 80 didn't have that. So I always had the, as Derek would say, the hood propulator holding the hood up. Now I don't have to do that. Perfect. Oh, also, made in the USA. What do you think? It's got something going on here on the nose. Not sure what that is. But, I mean, you see these lines here? And you can feel them too, so it's not something you can just see. But I think that
primer that I'm going to use will fill that right in anyway. So some stuff there. Is that just tape residue? No, it's resin. It's okay. Looks real good though. I like it. Nothing we can't fix. All right, let's see how this thing fits. What do you think? And of course, that's without, you know, the hood hinges, and there's some padding that goes in there to level it, but not too bad. And it doesn't stick up too far. Dig it. Enough for an air gap and a holly and a breather. I think it's perfect. Good. All right, super. Really like that hood. Good afternoon. All right, hey, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to finish cleaning the firewall, and then we're going to clean the wheel wells. We're going to scrub them down, soapy water. We're going to get all the way through the front there, get all the nose cone done, all that stuff, and then all on that side, back in there. And then we're going to really just wipe down the firewall. We've already cleaned it, and once we get all that done, then we're going to paint it. Okay, she's painted. Let's see, start the firewall. There, you guys remember what that looked like? Huh? There we go. Looking good. We go back in that corner. Man, it's just night and day from where it was. Look over here on this side. I mean, the fender wells, they have that, you know, paint, scuff stuff. I mean, you know, you're not going to get that out. And it's not going to be perfect, man. This car is almost 50 years old, you know. And then Got all that. I'm sorry. There we go. You can see it better. Back in there. Whew. Man, world of difference from a week ago. All right. All right. Well, I'll see you in a bit.